Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, this is our monthly close collab with my group, the Glam Squad, and the members are myself, Glamour Ellen, N of Luxury Living Within, B of Elegance Designed by B, Tammy of the Decor Lady. After you watch my video, please go over to their channel and tell them I sent you. Hey guys, so in this video I'm redecorating my loft. The color I'm going to put here is mustard, teal, and black. So the item I'm going to use, I'm debating with these three curtains. This one, I already have this one and that one. This one is newly purchased from Burlington. If you guys would like to check your Burlington, we have a lot of this. And it was $19.99, 38 by 96. This war art right here, I bought this one on clearance at Home Goods 2 weeks ago. It was $25. So I have two of them. What I did, I put this one right here to that other side down there. I don't have the lady there anymore. I still have my curtain here. So let's see if I can pull these three colors all together.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants? And it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know. Can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Shout out to my dear friend Susan Borrow. She sent me this very cute elephant pillow, and she bought this one from Home Goods. My friend, thank you so much. Look at the details, everyone. So I have the black, teal there, and a little bit of mustard. Thank you, friend, for sending me those lovely throw pillow. I really love it. This throw pillow right here came from Z Gallery. And guys, I reuse my flower curtain. I really love it so much, and I think it's perfect in this color right here. Here, my candle holder came from Home Goods, and my vase came from Burlington last year. And the foxtail came from Pure One.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
So this ottoman right here is a teal color, and once again guys, I reuse my yellow roses, and my vase, I really love it so much. Mirror came from Burlington 4 years ago. Alright everyone, let's go to our bedroom. Over here, it is emerald green, mustard color, and black.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Alright everyone, so this room is my inspiration. This
I just can't see how. Not
pillow right
even if I
here. So
try.
as you can see, there's a teal color, there's black and mustard.
I just can't see how. 'Cause I need you by my side.
That one, I bought that one from Home Goods. Over here guys, my ginger jar came from Home Goods, and
Every time we touch, I
tropical
feel
plant
at
also
home.
came from Home
There's
Goods.
no way I'd ever let you go.
Welcome to my tablescape in the teal color, and I hope you enjoy.
Feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands
This vase right here, I thrifted this one last year. Everyone, this video is also part of open invitation of our first collaboration for 2021, and it will be a tablescape for fall series. The details will be in my community tab, so we are inviting you to join us on our first year anniversary open invitation. Last year when we launched this group, we are doing a weekly fall decorating. So by next week, we are going to do the same thing for the month of August. So stay tuned everyone. Every Thursday of the week, we are uploading videos around 7 p.m. Placemat Home Goods, Charger Z Gallery, Dinner Plates Z Gallery, Salad Plate Home Goods, Valve Z Gallery, Napkin and Napkin Ring also from Z Gallery. This glass right here came from Home Goods last year. I was looking for this for a very long time and finally I found it in one of my boxes. Finally, I used it. The charger in my head of the table came from Z Gallery as well. Runner from Home Goods, vase from Burlington. This another vase right here from Home Goods. Gold orchids came from At Home. I will drop the link of my Tiffany blue tablescape with this color right here. So I hope you can check it out. It was my Valentine's. And here is the nighttime look, and I changed the flower arrangement over here.
Porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como todo y dejas cicatrices. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Ya se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida.
To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and making a comments all the time. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And tomorrow everyone, don't forget I have a live at 3 p.m. and this will be a giveaway thrifting hauls live. So I hope I can see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is open to everyone, non-content creator and creator. I hope to see you on my live tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by at my friend's channel, N of Luxury Living with N, B of Elegance Design by B, Tammy of The Queen of Decor, and let me know what you think about my tree styling today. I pulled through the mustard, teal, and black. And I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.